The new Chief Lands Commissioner and his hard-working team from the Lands Commission have already started work to revolutionize land title registrations in the country. Following his recent appointment and swearing-in this morning, the Chief Lands Commissioner, Molean Kilepak, revealed that his team will be traveling to Germany to collect copies of land title documents of its former territories in PNG.
We wanted to visit Germany to obtain colonial land records. And it's one of those key deliverable outcomes in our corporate plan 2023 to 2027, which was launched by the Deputy Prime Minister last year. So one of those key deliverables is to identify and declare all colonial land acquisitions as national land, so that we are able to stop the generational compensation claims. People coming up and saying, we are the landowners, you didn't pay the former ones properly, so give us another figure. So we need to stop that. It's already state land.
Kilepak says the trip to Germany is important as it will ensure Lands Commission collects copies of land titles of state land, and this will assist the Commission determine which land is customary and which has already been paid by the state through former colonial administrations.
The other milestone is that once it's been declared as national land, title is formally vested in the state. That means that state officers can go to the courts and force states right to ownership as the new owner. And the law says that the courts will take judicial notice of that declaration as proof of ownership.
The trip to Germany is made possible following a low-profile meeting between Attorney General and Justice Minister Niugini and Germany's Minister for State Kacha Kuel yesterday. The Attorney General says most of the copies of these important documents in PNG were lost or destroyed over the years, but copies of those documents are still kept by the German government.
Those informations, they have it. So all of Niugini was under German, so they have necessary documents, so that's why we want to retrieve them.
Meanwhile, Chief Commissioner Molean Kilepak and his team have already collected copies of land titles from Australia's former colonial territories in Canberra last year. Kilepak is excited that his team will finally retrieve copies of land titles from Germany this year. Kashmir Wakan, NBC National News, Port Moresby.